Hello everyone, welcome back to our tech studios. Today we are going to dive into how to repair your own device when it gets spoiled. Yes, how to repair your own device when it gets spoiled. It is simple, it does not require any complicated steps. Let's assume you are using an iPhone and when the battery gets spoiled, you want to repair it, or when it got faulty and you want to change it. Today I'm going to teach you a specific site, an actual site that will help you to fix it wherever you are. There is no need for you to send it to any repairer. Let's assume you are using a car and the car has got faulty. Yes, and you want to repair it. I'll teach you a site that the site will help you step by step for you to repair everything, and there's no need for you to pay any amount to anyone. Yes, you can repair it your own without sending it to any mechanic or any repairer. Any device that you have, being it electrical device, being it other devices, when you want to repair it yourself, you can repair it, yes, without sending it to any repairer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share, so whenever we release a new video, you will be notified. So you can open any browser on your phone. Yes, so I'm going to open Safari. So after opening Safari, we are going to type here, we are going to search iFix8. iFix8. So now after tapping it, let's search for it. Okay, so this is the site that I'm talking about. Yes, iFix8.com. Yes, this site. I'm talking about this particular site. Yes, so this site was founded in 2003. Yes, so you can go ahead and read so many things about this particular site. It can help you to fix any machine in the house, yes, without sending it towards any repairer for them to charge you an amount for you to pay. Yes, you can do it in your own house, or do it yourself. All right, so now let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, they said never take broken for an answer. So they said go and fix. Yes, so they said get the instruction you need with quality repair parts and tools and the expertise of the robots community. Yes, so these are some of the things that you have to note about this particular app. So now we want to repair our iPhone. Let's assume we want to change the battery of our iPhone. Yes, we want to change the battery of our iPhone. Okay, so now let's scroll down. We have appliances, we have camera. Let's scroll to research phones. Okay, so we have phones here. Yes, we have phones here. So now let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, so you're going to check, is it iPhone or Android? So just choose the type of phone that you are using, whether it is landline phone or it is an Android phone or Apple phone. And ours is Apple phone. So you're going to click on Apple. So now let's choose the type of the iPhone that you are using. We have iPhone 16 Pro Max here, iPhone 16 Pro. So we are using iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, so 13 Pro Max. Let's tap at display. So this is 13 Pro Max. So after tapping on it, it says iPhone 13 Pro Max, up top of the line smartphone for 2021, released September 24th. The iPhone 13 Pro Max sports 6.3 ProMotion OLED display. Yes, so now you can go ahead and read so many things about this particular device. So now we want to change the battery. You can go ahead to look for the battery feature. Yes, so we have battery. So now let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, now you have to scroll down. So these are the instructions that we have to follow. Yes, so follow this instruction to repair the battery of an iPhone 13 Pro Max. If your battery is swelling, take appropriate precaution. So you can go ahead and read so many things. So they said number one, which is step 1, remove the pentalobe screws. Yes, so you see, they will tell you what you have to do, so you can fix it in your house without sending it to any repairer. Yes, so they said, caution, before you begin, discharge your iPhone battery below 25%. Yes, 25%. So you have to take note of all these things. So they said mark your opening picks. So you have to follow the same steps. Yeah, the steps here, the steps are here. Yes, so take over any crack. Just look at it carefully. So they will teach you all the steps to repair your iPhone. Yes, or to change the battery of your iPhone. If the one in the iPhone gets spoiled and you want to change it, you can follow these particular steps to repair it. So number 6, they will teach you how to do everything, how to do everything here. You said hit the button H. Yes, hit the button H with what, a hair dryer or a heat gun. Yes. So insert an open page. Yes, to what, open the phone. There are so many things here. Yes, so just follow the steps one by one. Follow the steps one by one. Look at this place, screen information. So these are some informations. So when you open the iPhone 13 Pro Max, this is what you're going to see. Yes, this is what you're going to see. So open the iPhone. So you can follow it to repair your iPhone. So let's assume you are also using maybe another device, or it's not phone but it's another device and you want to repair it. You can also, let's assume phone accessory. Let's take this headset. Yes, this headset, you can go ahead and what, look at it, how to repair them. Yes, so let's assume you want to repair your car too. You can use this site to repair your car. Yes, this particular site to repair your car. So now let's choose vehicle down here. So now let's choose it. So after choosing it, we have aircraft, boats, motorbike, we have cars, we have tractors, we have personal electrical vehicle. So let's choose recreational vehicle. Okay, let's choose recreational vehicle. Okay, so let's assume we are using this particular van and you want to repair it. There is no need for you to send it. Said oil cooler, replace guide. So let's tap on it. You can go ahead and they will teach you everything, every step for you to what, change it. Yes, for you to what, change it. It is simple, very, very, very simple. Yes. So this is how it is. It's not difficult. Yes, so this particular site will help you to repair any device that you are using. Yes, so it will help you to repair any device that you are using. Yes, so just look at any device that you are using. You can use this particular site to repair it, whether it's a rice cooker, a washing machine, a phone, a bicycle, a motor, a car, everything, every device. Yes, you can repair it yourself using this particular site. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share, so whenever we release new video, you will be notified.